Hear the mountain pray from the dust of the earth. Jah call we way. I and I stand firm, barefoot on stone. Rivers of Zion carry me home. Sunrise slow upon the hillside, chains in the mind but the soul can hide. Babylon drum beat hard in the street, but me heart keep time with a deeper beat. Mama says son, no rush the road. Faith is the bridge when the load get low. Through hunger nights and burning days, Jah light me path in mysterious ways. Rivers of Zion, wash me soul clean, carry me pain where me eyes can see. Rivers of Zion, run deep and strong, take me spirit where the righteous belong. I see elders sit under cotton tree, reading old signs from prophecy. Them say, hold the line, no bow to fear. Truth is the fire and Jah is near. City cry but the hills reply. Every tear got a reason why. When the wicked rise and the meek feel small, Jah voice still louder than them wall. Rivers of Zion, cool the flame, call out me name when me lose me way. Rivers of Zion, pure and wide, flow through the heart of I and I. No gold, no crown, no silver throne, only righteousness. Me call me own if me feet get weary. Still me stand, write me story in the palm of Jah and let the drum beat slow, let the truth be told. Ancient fire never get old, from the first dawn to the last trumpet sound. Zion River still running down. I walk soft on the earth each day. Every breath is a prayer, me say. Them build them kingdom on blood and sand, but Jah foundation no shape nor bend. When me time come for cross that line, no fear in me heart, me sight is fine. For me drink from the source, me spirit free. Rivers of Zion live inside of me. Rivers of Zion, take me home, far from the lights, Babylon home. Rivers of Zion, sweet and true, every drop sing Jah name on you. Rivers of Zion, rivers of Zion, carry I and I through the night into the light. Water still flow, Jah word still stand. Rivers of Zion never run dry. Hear the water talk, hear the mountain pray. From the dust of the earth, Jah call we way. rise slow up on the hillside. Chains in the mind, but the soul can't hide. Babylon drum beat hard in the street, but me heart keep time with a deeper beat. Mama says, son, no rush the road. Faith is the bridge when the load get load. Through hunger nights and burning days, Jah light me path in mysterious ways. Rivers of Zion wash me soul clean. Carry me pain when me eyes can't see. Rivers of Zion run deep and strong. Then we spirit where the righteous belong. I see elders sit under cotton tree, reading old signs from prophecy. Them say, hold the line, no bow to fear. Truth is the fire and Jah is near. City cry but the hills reply. Every tear got a reason why. When the wicked rise and the meek feel small, Jah voice still louder than them wall. Rivers of Zion cool the flame. Call out me name when me lose me way. Rivers of Zion, pure and white, flow through the heart of I and I. No gold, no crown, no silver throne, only righteousness me call me own. If me feet get weary, still me stand, write me story in the palm of John. Let the drum beat slow, let the truth be told. Ancient fire never get old. From the first dawn to the last trumpet sound, Zion River still running down. I walk soft on the earth each day. Every breath is a prayer, me say. Them build them kingdom from blood and sand, but your foundation no shake nor bend. When my time come for cross that line, no fear in me heart, my sight is fine. For me drink from the source, my spirit free. Rivers of Zion live inside of me. Rivers of Zion, take me home, far from the lies Babylon own. Oh, rivers of Zion, sweet and true. Every drop sing Jah name anew. Rivers of Zion, rivers of Zion, carry I and I into the night, into the light. Water still flow, Jah word still stand. Rivers of Zion never run dry.